Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a major development that could reshape how new cancer drugs are approved. The FDA has released a draft guidance that's got the entire oncology world talking. It's all about using minimal residual disease, or MRD, as a primary endpoint to support accelerated approval for multiple myeloma treatments. So, what does this actually mean for patients, drug developers, and diagnostic companies? Let's break it down. 4 years. Getting a new cancer drug approved meant proving it improved overall survival or progression-free survival. These are fantastic metrics, but they take a very long time to measure, often years, as treatments for diseases like multiple myeloma have gotten better and better. Showing a statistically significant survival benefit requires massive, lengthy, and expensive trials. This is where MRD comes in. It is an ultra-sensitive measure that can detect tiny numbers of cancer cells left in the body after treatment. The big idea is that achieving MRD negativity, meaning no detectable cancer cells, is a strong predictor of long-term survival. This new guidance suggests that showing a drug can get patients to this deep level of response could be enough to get it an accelerated approval, bringing promising new therapies to patients much faster. So, why is the FDA making this shift now? First, the science is solid. Multiple large-scale studies have shown a powerful link between being MRD negative and living longer without the disease coming back. It's not just a random number. It's a biologically meaningful sign that the treatment is working exceptionally well. Second, the technology is finally ready. Advanced techniques like next-generation sequencing and next-generation flow cytometry can now reliably and reproducibly detect one cancer cell among a million healthy cells. This gives regulators the confidence they need to trust the results. And third, it's a practical necessity. When current therapies are already achieving response rates over 90%, using MRD allows us to see which new drugs are truly raising the bar by wiping out the disease on a microscopic level. But this isn't a free pass. The FDA's draft guidance comes with some strict requirements. Drug sponsors can't just tack on an MRD test at the end of a trial. They need to pre-specify exactly how and when MRD will be measured, with a robust statistical plan to back it up. The assays themselves must be rigorously validated to prove they are sensitive, accurate, and consistent. And remember, this is for accelerated approval. Companies will still need to run confirmatory trials to prove that reaching MRD negativity does, in fact, translate to longer, healthier lives for patients. It's a trust but verify approach. The implications here are huge. For diagnostic companies, this is a massive opportunity. The demand for high-sensitivity MRD tests is set to skyrocket. Companies with well-validated, reliable assays will become critical partners in drug development for pharmaceutical companies. This could dramatically speed up development timelines. Getting an accelerated approval based on MRD means getting life-changing drugs to patients sooner and gaining a competitive edge. It could lead to smaller, more efficient clinical trials focused on achieving this deep molecular response. So, what's the game plan? For diagnostic firms, it's time to engage with the FDA. Invest heavily in validating your assays, and build a mountain of evidence linking your test results to real-world patient outcomes. For pharma sponsors, it's all about early and frequent conversations with the FDA. Your regulatory strategy needs to be locked in, with MRD endpoints fully integrated into your trial designs from the very beginning. You also need to plan for those confirmatory trials right from the start. Ultimately, this draft guidance is a landmark moment. It signals the FDA's confidence in using sophisticated biomarkers to make faster, smarter regulatory decisions. It's a win for innovation and, most importantly, a potential win for patients with multiple myeloma, who may get access to breakthrough therapies years earlier than before. The bar is being raised not just for how effective a drug must be, but for how we measure that success. What are your thoughts on this shift? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the future of medicine. See you next time.